Well, I've not been running for ages, so I'm out in the back streets of Beijing, struggling to do my runs, but I'm determined to get back into it. This winter was hard, what with COVID being locked up and the cold air. Very hard to keep going. So I did the minimum. Thanks to my friend Sven for keeping us all motivated here in Beijing and keeping us running. So I entered a few trail runs, but of course it's May 2021, and got another outbreak of COVID in Beijing, which is a shame because all the runs have been cancelled. So that's really annoying. Just going to show you where I am. It's really nice. You'd be surprised how many nice places there are. I don't know if you can see, but this time of year the air is full of white seeds and fluff from the trees. Look at this cool tractor. This is the veggies this guy's selling. So I'm going to run down by the river. Look at this cool tractor. So I'm going to run down by the river, maybe do a loop. Let's see how long it takes me. I'm particularly slow at the moment, so I won't be breaking any world records. Just good to be out again in the heat, in the summer.